hell did Dan go? You can hear the hotel humming. She grabs her shoes and heads out in the rain. Another chorus of the times you could and you could not refrain. The sun undresses the horizon. You grab your phone and text a lot. It's not where you're supposed to be this time. You watch the lightning flash across the window pane, but you can barely see the morning through the rain. I carry distance like a burden, my encumbrance and my strain. 40 years across the sands of your devotion and my shame. Yeah. So I blow a kiss across the garden. Gethsemane, it seems to me, Virginia's just a brick to ease the pain. I'm hardly able to sort the sugar from the cane, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. And all my memories fit into a frame, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. The deluge urges me on, and the flood submerges the eye. Intercepted language and a flavor on my face. For every arc you feel, there's a hole you never will inside. So won't you call me Moses? Oh, won't you call my name? Call me home, call me through the dark when I have lost my way. Jenny, please receive me. Trust me even when I lie. Believe me when I say I'll try to change. These clouds could wash me clean, all my sin and all my shame, but I can barely see Virginia through the rain. A world that runs in circles between heaven and the train, and I can barely see Virginia through the rain. I can barely see Virginia through the rain. Yeah, I can barely see Virginia through the rain.